So I squeeze it from the bottom, gently pull it out, and just add these in here for some beauty of the purpleness that's on there. I don't like to plant them deeper than they are. I've got some little watermelons here called sugar babies, and sometimes you can grow different vining crops on a fence. I'm going to try that here. I've had some success with cucumbers and smaller pumpkins on a fence before, or a trellis, and they've done very well. So I'm going to try that today with these. Just plant them in here nicely and kind of have them crawl up the fence a little bit, maybe give them a little support later on. How far apart do you put an onion? I like to put them as far apart as I think they're going to get for size. I don't like to crowd them. You can, then you just eat the younger ones as they grow. Any ones that are dried up and not going to grow, I put on the side, and then just stick them gently into the soil like this and plant them. Blood meal is a product I like to use. It's a source of nitrogen and fertilizer for your plants. It's a blood product, and you can get it at any of your nurseries. More than likely they should carry that. Use it for rabbit control. Rabbits don't care for it, care for the smell. Probably your best rabbit control is fencing, but since our whole yard is fenced and we have a dog on all three sides here, I'm going to try the blood meal, and I might add a fence later. I'll sprinkle a little bit in here, not a lot, just a little. I generally try not to get fertilizer on the plant if I can help it. Fertilizer at times tends to burn your plants, so just a little dusting of it. And make sure you wash your hands whenever you're done with all this type of thing too. We've got about